So this is our headlight restoration process. So it's either a 4-stage sanding, or we may need to go through and do a little bit extra depending on how bad the headlights are. Not all going to come new, but this will get you as close as it is. Right now we're applying a UV cured acrylic over the top of it, so we're replacing the OEM coating that has come off. So what we're looking at, we're just looking to make sure that it's gone on evenly. It's going to self-level. Just make sure we're not missing any bits. And there we go. That's going to cure to a good hard coating. We're coming to the other side. We're going to be doing the same thing. This one was not as bad, but if you can see as we go across, it's going to transform the color and actually bring it back to life. So that way your headlights like new. We have done many headlights. We've tried it with every product I could find. This is the only one that I've found that actually works. So it's a great product. We sell them here in shop, or you can have us do the install. Either way, if you buy it in shop, we're at $39 for the kit. If we do it, we're starting at $85. So make sure we're just going in one direction so that it'll coat itself and then evenly distribute. All right, there we are. Headlight restoration. At this, we're at that, like I said, starting at that $85. Take your yellowed headlights, make them look new again, where normally you're losing 80% of the light out of your vehicle. So there it is, RC Auto Detail and Carpet Cleaning. Give us a call, 970-373-3336. Have a great day.